Dad is calling.
Oh. Hello, honey. How are you? Jennifer is fine.
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. You just have to pardon me. I won't be able to come home tomorrow like I promised.
Oh, no. Not again. This is the second time you're postponing your return. And the last time you came, you didn't even stay up to 1 week with us.
I'm sorry about that. It's a situation beyond my control. I'm so sorry. Please, I'll find a way to make up. It's really not my fault. I'm really very sorry.
You will have to explain that to her yourself. You know she's still very mad at you for missing her impressive performance in school last week.
Alright, no problems. Let me talk to her. I'll put her on the phone. I know if I call her, she won't pick my calls.
Honey, come and talk to your dad.
If it's to tell me that he won't come home like he promised, I'm not interested.
Babe, she won't talk to you. She's still very angry.
Alright, no problems. I know my daughter, I understand. But I have to go. Yes, I have to go. I have an urgent call at the headquarters. I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
Why is Dad doing this to us, Mom? Why? Can't he quit this his God-forsaken job and spend quality time with us?
Come. Please come.
Obedient to you. Not just you.
I know you're mad at your dad, okay? But your dad is trying so hard to put food on our table. You know he loves you and cares about us. So you have to be very understanding, please, okay? Everything he's doing is for our sake. Hope you know your daddy loves you. You know that, yeah?
Yes, Mom.
Alright. You know what? I want to take you out. Where do you want to go to?
Let's go and eat food.
Food. I know you're going to say food. Oh yeah, let's go.
Give that 5 Irene now.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Captain Martins. I summoned you here to inform you that your takeoff time to Jos with the troop will be in next 14 hours later today.
Alright, sir. But, sir, the pass that I asked for, I've not gotten any feedback, sir.
You don't need to worry. The adjutant will still review your application.
But, sir, this is the second time I'm asking for that.
Obey the last command, Captain Martins. Or do you want to assume with me?
Not at all, sir.
Then you have to leave.
Sir.
guys want, sir?
Get down! Who else is in this house?
No one, sir. No one, sir.
I can see that you want to play pranks with me. I said, who else is in this house?
I swear there's no one else in this house. I'm just the only one at home.
Spider. Yes, boss. Search inside. Yes, boss.
Please, sir, what?
Shut up!
Whatever you guys want, you can just go ahead and carry it. I'm the only one in this house.
Woman! Get down! If I get you, I'll blow off your brain! Please! Leave my daughter alone! Get down!
Mommy! Leave my daughter alone, please! What do you guys want, please? Anything you want, we have jewelry, we have a lot of things in the house. We even have money left somewhere, please. We can get it.
You have money. You want to give me money?
Yes, sir, please. You can go ahead and carry anything you want.
Now, where is that your hardcore husband that parades himself as an officer?
My husband is not around. He's at his workplace, sir.
Yes, I know. Now your husband went ahead to spoil my operation. He spoiled the operation of my team. And I believe this is the best time for me to take my pound of flesh at him.
Sir, please, whatever my husband has done to you guys, please forgive him. Temper justice with mercy, sir.
I should forgive him.
Yes, sir.
I can see that it is easy for you to say. But you have no idea of what that's your husband, that bastard, did to me and my team.
Please. Please, sir.
Don't worry. At the time I finish dealing with you and your daughter, then you will call me a beast!
Boss, let's go to this woman! Come on!
Scorpion! Boss, go and ransack everywhere. Put your face down!
Don't look at them, okay? Just stay with me. Stay with me. Just don't worry, it's okay.
Boss, what did you find? Very good.
Boss, we have all the jewelry that is in this house.
Woman!
Sir?
Captain Martins, or whatsoever they call him. He joined forces with his team to stop my operation. And come to think of it, it did something that cost me millions. And also the life of my brother. My only brother! And you want me to forgive you?
Sir, please, temper justice with mercy.
Shut up! I am here to take away everything that belongs to me.
Sir, please, still, in the name of God, please just temper justice with mercy.
I will make him regret everything. Yes! I will make him regret.
Oh yes.
He's going about parading himself as a hard man. as a hard officer who can defend his country. So I want him to come and defend you. Defend his family. I want him to save you from our hands.
Sir, please, whatever it is between you and him, please. Just forgive.
Forgive. So you think it's so easy to forgive? Okay. Well, this is a good time to have everything I ever planned for.
Show one, boss.
Yeah, I think this is the time to take everything from Captain Martins or whatsoever he's called. Woman, lie down.
What?
Lie down!
Yeah.
What are you trying to do, boss? Not in the presence of this cage.
Space now.
Please, sir, please. Please. Please, no. Get out! No, please. Please. Oh my God, please. Please, sir, please. I beg you in the name of God, please. In the name of whatever you worship, please. Sir, please. Please don't do this. Please, sir. Sir, please don't do this. No.
This is not our plan!
She's becoming a threat!
This is not our plan! Everybody get out! Let's go! Get out!
How are they? Where is my granddaughter and my daughter-in-law?
Mama, calm down. Calm down. The doctor is attending to them, okay?
Please, my son, take me to them, oh? Because...
Mama, calm. I just said very soon you'll see them, okay? Very soon. Yes.
Good day, Mr. Justin.
Doctor, how are you?
Please, what's the situation now?
Hello, Mr. Justin.
How are
the
you?
little girl is sleeping right now, but hopefully she'll be awake.
Doctor, please, take me to my grandchild and my daughter-in-law, Biko. Oh,
Please,
I want to see them now.
Calm down. Everything will be fine.
Doctor, please, how about the mother?
Well, she already lost a lot of blood before she was rushed down to the hospital.
Hi.
I tried all I could, but she gave up.
What? Doctor, is that what? No. Hey! Mama. No. Eh? No, it's not possible.
No.
Hey! No! Hey! Oh! Please,
She's awake.
my baby. Hey,
Where am I?
she's awake.
Let me quickly go and tell them that she's awake.
Yes, please.
No.
Hey,
Jennifer, how do you feel?
my head. Don't say it. Just my back is paining. You'll be fine.
Yes, you'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay, let me go and get her dress so that she can take the after sessions.
All right.
Please hurry up, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you, boss.
It's sorry.
Where is my mom?
Your mother, she's there. Don't worry, regain your strength first. I'll
Your mother?
take you to your mother.
She's fine. Yes.
I'm fine. I need to see.
No, my dad.
Jennifer, you're not feeling too strong. Regain your strength first. I'll take you to go and see your mom.
Yes.
I promise you that, okay? Okay?
Why is she crying?
Mom. Oh no, she's crying because of your condition. No, yeah, your mother is okay. Stop now, stop. What is it?
No, nothing. What happened to my mom? She's fine. How is she?
She's okay, she's okay.
Regain your strength first.
Let me take my mom.
No, regain your strength first. I'll take you to go and see your mom, okay? Yes.
Captain Martins, I am sorry for the unfortunate incidents that occurred at your residence. And we are taking a reconsideration on your past application. So you are free to leave. This is your official pass. You have from now till 4 weeks to stay with your family. Take it.
Thank you, sir.
Captain, take heart. Be a man. I know that a lot is going right there in your mind, but you will definitely overcome them. Do not be too hard to yourself. Please.
Thank you, sir. Permission to leave, sir.
Carry on, Pat.
He's going about parading himself as a hard man, as a hard officer who can defend his country. So I want him to come and defend you and his family. I want him to save you from our hands.
Sir, please, whatever it is, please. Just forgive.
Forgive. So you think it's so easy to forgive. Okay. Well, this is a good time to have everything I ever do. Come on, lie down.
What?
Please, 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 no. Get my ass! No, please, oh my God, please, sir, please, I beg you in the name of God, please, in the name of whatever you worship, please, sir, please, don't do this, please, sir, please, don't do this.
Jenny, stop this. You're going to hurt yourself. They molested and killed my mother because of my father.
Jenny, I understand how it feels.
No, you don't. You don't understand. Do you know how it feels? Do you know how it feels to watch strange men try to rape your mother? And she was pregnant. I was sure she was going to give me a younger brother. Now she's gone. She's gone. She's gone.
Jenny, you have to take it easy on yourself. At least we thank God you are alive.
No. What am I thanking God for? What is the use of my life without my mother? What is the use of my life without my mother?
Jenny, you still have your father. Huh? Your father is still here for you.
Please don't call that man's name here again. I hate him. I hate him so much. If my father was there, all this would not have happened. If my father was there, maybe my mother would be alive by now. I don't know. My mother just take me with her. She would have taken me with her.
It's okay, Jenny, it's okay. It's okay. Okay? Don't hurt yourself. You're going to hurt yourself if you continue like this.
Oh, Mama. Good morning.
Hello. Hey. This morning that you're up early preparing breakfast, are you planning to go somewhere?
No. I just want to make sure food is ready before my daughter wakes up.
No, not to the detriment of your sleep. You should have allowed me do it.
Don't worry, Mother. I need to start getting used to it. If my wife was here, she would have been the one doing these things, but she's gone, so I need to start doing some of them now.
Son, I know that you're trying to make it up to your daughter for what happened weeks ago, but none of this is your fault.
It's my fault, Mother. Believe me, it's my fault. And I give all my time to my job. I should have been there for my family.
I understand how you feel, son. But nobody would have printed that things will happen this way. Eh? You don't need to be hard on yourself. Stop blaming yourself for what happened. You're also hurt. And you need consolation too. Please, my son. Take it easy, okay?
Thank you, Mama.
Well, I can see you're almost done. I'll be waiting at the dining. I trust your magic fingers.
Jennifer, how are you?
Daddy, morning.
I made breakfast, so I came to take you so you can eat.
I'm not hungry, Dad.
You need to eat. You eat and then you take your medications for today.
Dad, I said I'm not hungry. Do you want to force me to eat? Please leave my room, Dad.
Jennifer, we can't continue like this. Right?
Daddy, please. Leave my room.
Son, why are you like this and where is your daughter?
She's in her room.
Is she not supposed to be here with us to have breakfast?
She said she doesn't want to eat.
What else does she say?
But I don't want to talk about it.
I think I know what this is all about. I will not sit here and watch that little girl push my son into depression. No, it won't happen.
Just leave her.
I will not. Jennifer, why didn't you follow your father to the dining?
Grandma, I'm not hungry.
And what do you mean by that? Why do you keep disrespecting your father and blackmailing him emotionally?
Because he wasn't there when it mattered the most. All he cares is his work. He loves his work more than his own family.
Jennifer, my dear. You may not understand the many sacrifices your father has been making for you before now. But trust me, you will begin to see them clearer as you grow. Please, my daughter, purge away whatever grudges you bear against him. Oh?
I'm sorry. I can't.
I hope you realize that your late mother will not be happy with you wherever she is right now. You need your father's love and affection now more than ever.
Grandma, I don't need that man's love and affection. He should take it to his military work.
At first, I thought it was just the pain and trauma of what happened. But I'm beginning to feel that you're just being vindictive.
Wow. You see that man there? I hate him so much. And there is nothing that would change my mind unless he brings my mother back to life.
Blood of Jesus! I didn't hear that. Martin, your daughter's recent attitude in this house is becoming a bigger case for worry. I think it's high time you hire a maid to look after her and to care for her needs. This is suddenly going to become unbearable for you very soon.
I don't think I want to do that.
And why not? What about your job? Who is going to look after her? You really need to hire a maid, an older adult preferably, because you can't continue like this.
All that will not be necessary, Mother. I'm already thinking of quitting my job.
What did you just say? I can see you're beginning to lose it. If you quit that job, where do you intend to raise money to support your family? Where?
The job is the reason I lost my wife in the first place. Same reason my daughter is now acting this way. Same reason I've not been able to give her the fatherly love and attention that she deserves. My job.
Son, I understand the guilt you feel within you, but that shouldn't be the case. You don't need to be hasty in this decision. Please.
I've already made up my mind. I'll do it. I'll find a way to take care of my daughter. I'll find another job, and I know I'll take care of my daughter. I'll take very good care of her, even if it costs me a fortune. I will. I already failed my family. I failed my family because I was so busy rendering selfless service to my country. It's time to take care of my family.
It's okay, son. You pull through, okay? I understand your plight. I've been thinking, maybe we should speak to Cynthia's mom to allow her come spend some time with Jennifer. She's always cheerful whenever she's around her friend. And as for the meal, I will serve her in her room as soon as I'm done eating. Okay? Please, eat your food. It's getting cold already.
Bro, I
you sure this is what you want? I mean, think about it. Because the economy is not smiling at anyone. The other day we saw one video online. A girl collected 1 million naira from a man she saw online. And the man ended up killing her. You see, why I'm saying this is for her not to fall a victim. Yes.
Yeah. The more reason I need to be there for her more than I used to. I have to. She needs fatherly love right now. I need to do everything possible to fill up the vacuum that my wife's death created in her heart.
Are you resigning from the military because your daughter is mad at you? Or you want to resign for you to take care of her?
I can't say which one for now. But I know it's the right thing to do.
Or did you realize how burdensome that can be on you?
I know, bro. I know, but I need to do it. I believe it will ease the guilt that I feel in my heart. Besides, things will happen to a man, but a man never stays down. No matter what, you get up, take your decisions and move with it. In the next couple of days, I'll resign from the army. Everything in my possession belonging to the Nigerian army, I'll hand it over to them. And then I'll see what life brings from there.
Bro, I understand how you feel. But I know very soon, Jennifer will realize that you meant well for her. Yes. But of course, she's a child. So I'm not surprised with the way she reacts. Yes. See, I'm sorry about the whole thing.
Thank you. I must be honest, sir. It has not been easy for me. I failed my family. I failed them. It hurts me. My relationship with my daughter has been bruised. She now despises me so much and gives me great concern, sir.
I feel your pain. I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir. I have come to tender my resignation, sir. I have served in the Nigerian army for many years, and I have defended my country. I believe it's time for me to go home and be there for my daughter. She needs me right now more than ever.
Anyway, Captain, I'm not going to try persuading you against your decision. But I must let you know one important thing. The very day you got recruited into the army was the very day you vowed to live or sacrifice your life to others. All these things that have been happening, none of them is your fault. You have paid all your dues. The force is certainly going to miss you. Your commitment, your diligence, hard working, and every other thing the force is getting from you. Captain,
Sir.
I wish you all the best in your next adventure.
Thank you very much, sir. As I leave now, I'll tender my ID card and every other thing in my possession belonging to the Nigerian army.
One more thing, Captain.
Sir.
You have to take care of your mental health. Don't be too hard on yourself. Time will heal this wound.
Thank you, sir. Permission to leave, sir.
Go ahead. Captain, please. Sleeping happy. With an intelligence, Captain.
A daughter is a special thing, a gift from God above, and I would give her anything, shower her with care and love, 'cause it gives me joy through the years to watch you grow. So believe me, child, when I say I love you so. I'm no Superman, I'm just an ordinary father. Try to do the best I can for my family.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
I came to see a friend of mine around the neighborhood. So while passing, I decided to branch by and say hi.
Oh, I see. That's very nice of you. Yeah, I'm just coming from our headquarters.
Headquarters?
Yes.
That reminds me. Mama told me that you want to resign from your service. Is that true?
My brother, I've been in the Nigerian army for years. And even though I love defending my country, I've come to realize that family comes first. Yes, family first. So that's why I want to do it. My daughter, you know what happened. And so I need to be close to her right now. She needs me. She needs me. She's all I have.
I understand. I totally understand. But I just hope this does not affect you in turn, considering the fact that this is the job that has kept you financially stable all these years.
I know, but a man has to do what a man has to do. I'm a strong man now. I'll always find a way. Yes. I've made some plans, put in some deals here and there. I believe things will work out.
I wish you all the best, sir.
Thank you. Why don't you come inside? Let's do a drink.
Actually, I have an appointment to catch up with. Why not next time?
Okay. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for coming.
You may hate me because you don't understand the things I do for you. I'm your daddy and I can't stop loving you. No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. There's nothing in the world I wouldn't do, 'cause I'm your daddy who loves you.
Hey, Nah, you're back.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you. Jenny, I got this for you.
Cynthia, take me to my room.
Oh, your dad got you something.
Are you going to take me to my room or don't worry, I'll do it myself.
No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. For you, there's nothing I want.
It's okay, my son. Please, don't take it to heart, okay? It's alright. So, how did it go?
Well, I've handed over everything in my possession that belongs to them.
Okay. That's good. So, what next?
I've got plans. I've got plans.
It's okay, son.
Jennifer. Listen, I think it's high time you stopped disrespecting your dad in such manner. My dear, you need to calm down. You're hurting that man. Do I look like I care? Whatever he's feeling is nothing to compare to how he made me feel. Because of him, I'm now without a mother.
Would you rather lose him or become an orphan?
Let him die! Do I look like I care? Listen, I grew up without seeing my father occasionally in this house. All he cares about is his work and nothing else.
Jenny, I am your friend. And if I must be honest with you right now, you need to calm down. You really have to calm down.
Cynthia, can you stop painting me as the devil here? My father deserves every bit of what he's feeling right now. Yes. And if the only reason you're here is to judge me by my action, then I think it's better you stop coming.
Wait a minute. Are you indirectly asking me out of your house and I should stop coming here to see you? Oh, really? That's fine. No.
Wait. Cynthia, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way, please. It's just that I miss my mother.
I understand, my dear friend. But you need to calm down.
I miss my mother so much. I just wish she was here with me. I wish my mother was here with me.
I understand. I know how you feel.
No, you don't understand. You don't understand.
It's okay. Look at me. Your dad will take care of you just the way your mother have done.
No. Just don't mention that man's name. Don't. It's because of him all this is happening to me.
It's okay. Just stop crying. You need to come out of this. It's okay. Jenny.
Yes, I just sent you the plot number to forward to your client. Yeah, of course. Please finalize with them so I can also finalize with my client. Okay. No, it's tagged at 15 million naira, but it's slightly negotiable. That's okay, thank you. Sure. Well, Mr. Martin, I just finished speaking to one of our agents, and in a couple of days, we'll have a lot of buyers. Then you will have the liberty to sell to the highest bidder. What do you think? Mr. Martin? Mr. Martin? Mr. Martin?
Sorry, what were you saying?
I was relating to you that I spoke with one of our agents, and soon enough we'll get buyers for the plot we just uploaded on our social media pages. And then you'll be at liberty to sell to the highest bidder.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. Well, aren't you leaving with your land document?
I forgot.
Mr. Martin, are you sure you're fine? You don't look bright ever since you got in here.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. Thank you once again.
Whatever it is, just take it easy, have a lot of rest. I'm sure everything will be okay. And soon enough, we'll have good news. Alright. Have a good day.
No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. For you, there's nothing I won't do. I'm your daddy who loves you. No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. There's nothing in my life more important than
My little angel, my darling daughter. You may never understand right now. If only you could see or feel how heavy my heart is to have rendered you motherless at this age. I don't know if I'll ever forgive myself. I just want you to know that I love you. You are my child, and I'm your father. I will always love you. Jennifer, I know how you feel. I understand the way you feel. I know I know you're upset with me. I know it will take time before you can, get back to your normal self. I understand. But right now, I need a very important information from you. You're a very smart girl. You're my daughter. I know you. Very intelligent. I need you to try to recall the night of the robbery. Did you notice anything, some signs, or did you see their faces? Just anything at all that I can use to track those guys?
Well, Daddy, the only thing I know I can remember is a tall, dark guy saying you and your joint task force stopped their robbing operation. And during that process, he lost his brother. Yes, he's tall, dark, and there is this selling written on his cap.
Good morning, Mr. Martin. How are you doing today? Well, I just called to inform you that I have 2 prospective buyers. Yes, and you don't have to stress yourself, with the documents. You don't need to bring them here. I'll just drop by after work and pick them up wherever you are, if that's okay by you. Okay, thank you. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Okay, let's see what.
Life has many challenges, but I'm no Superman. I promise always to be there for you, do the best I can. You may hate me because you don't understand the things I do for you, but I'm your daddy and I can't stop loving you. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, my love will never go away. No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. I'll never turn my back on you. I'm your daddy who loves you. No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. In me you have a love so true. I'm your daddy who loves you.
Aha, just hold on. I forgot to get her some fruits. Go to the junction, buy her some bananas, apples, and other fruits.
Take you inside now.
My darling, I'll take you inside.
No, I don't want your fruits. Take me inside this minute.
It's alright, don't worry. Take her inside.
My son, you're back.
Yes.
How did he go?
Fine.
Hi.
Yes, fine. According to the doctor, in a few weeks she'll walk again.
Oh.
The special grace of God. He just said we should continue giving her drugs and specified diets for her.
Thank God. At least it's good news. Oh, no. I don't like the way you look. You look so weary and I don't like it. Please, my son, no matter what it is, you need to take your mind off this mode. Please. I would die if anything happens to you. Be gone one. You know, gone?
Nothing.
Please.
Let's go. Let's go. Right.
Honey, really missed you. You kept postponing your return.
Forgive me, I missed you too. Like, I missed both of you. I missed you and I missed you. I missed you so much. Forgive me, it's not entirely my fault. Yes, I asked for a pass, but they wouldn't give me. I told them I wanted to come see my family for the first time this year, but they wouldn't let me. Instead, something came up and I was assigned to lead a QRF team all the way to Niger State.
Dad, what's your QRF?
You go, bro. I know you, always inquisitive. I like that. Well, QRF in the army means Quick Reaction Force. It's a team that is designed to respond quickly to combat or respond to arising situations.
That explanation is enough for her level. Before I'll wake up one day and hear that our daughter is planning to join the Nigerian army.
Well, that won't be a bad thing. It's good to serve your country. But I know my daughter, she wants to be a journalist.
Yes, Dad. I want to be renowned as late Delegiwa.
I like that. High five.
Jenny, you are going to graduate and become an accountant, or at least an economist, so that you'll be respected like the likes of Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Which one is journalist? Eh? Those people that get paid just to spread propaganda.
Sweetheart, take it easy. Give the little girl a break. Let her choose her course.
Oh. On the contrary, baby, we are duty-bound to set her straight. Now, case closed.
You cannot close the case. Not yet, I object.
What happened to table manners?
Oh, we've all violated it already.
Can we eat now?
Show appreciation for what Jehovah has done for you. Show appreciation for what Jehovah has done for you. How do you feel when a friend gives you a beautiful gift? Likely, it makes you very happy, and you want to show your friend that you appreciate this gift. Jesus gave us the greatest gift we can ever receive. Now tell me.
Honey,
Are you done?
you're reading her series for her. Sweetheart, I hope they're not going to take you away from us so soon this time. The last time you returned, you barely stayed up to 2 weeks.
My pass this time is for 3 weeks.
I knew it. What is all this now? When will why can't I feel the arms of a man around me? You're making our daughter to beg for love and attention.
Please calm down. Calm down.
Please don't tell me to calm down. Last year you came home just 3 times. You even missed our daughter's award ceremony organized by the state government. You're really punishing her, baby.
It's not my fault. I'm doing this for us. You know, I expect you to understand.
There is nothing to understand. Why won't these people understand that you have a family to take care of?
Sweetheart, it's not fair. It's really not fair. We can't keep going through this over and over again. I'm doing this for our future.
Lies. You're not doing this for us. You're doing this for your unflinching passion for your job, and you know it. Suit yourself if that's what you want. Captain Martins Ogbonna. Martins, enough is enough with you in this house. It shouldn't always be about you.
What is wrong with you? Why are you being illogical?
Oh, I'm being illogical because I complained about you not spending enough time with your family.
For God's sake, I have to work. What is wrong with you? Spend time with my family. I need to work. I wouldn't be the first or last married man to work in the Nigerian army. Someone has to put food on our table, and that person is me. I'm the head of the house.
Oh, stop sounding that way because I'm contributing my own quarter.
Please, contribute what? Contribute from where? The business I started for you. All right? How did I get the money? From the job that I do. So what are you talking about?
Why are you sounding as if I'm just complaining about our welfare? Baby, for the past 10 years, I've not been able to spend up to 1 full month with you. I'm a woman for crying out loud and I have needs. I don't even want to begin to complain about Jennifer, our daughter. She's always yearning for fatherly love and attention and you're not always there to give it to her. You better stop looking for a way to make it up to her before it becomes too late.
You're taking this too far. Believe me, you are taking this too far and I don't like it. You're starting to disrespect me. Very soon, Jennifer will become an adult. And believe me, she will understand.
Hey, I'm sorry, Mr. Martin, to have kept you waiting. Just that I didn't close early as I had planned to.
That's all right. Please.
Oh, thank you.
All right, would you like to join me in this?
Well, no for now. At least until we finalize business.
All right. Here you go.
Okay.
The photocopies of the land documents.
Okay. Yes. Perfect. So I'll just go ahead and finalize with the highest bidder. But before then, of course, we'll have to talk about the percentage, that you'll be giving to the agency, which of course has been slated for 10%. And that should fall between, say, 150,000 naira. I mean, depending on the final price, of course. The final price agreed. Yes. Mr. Martin. Mr. Martin, you haven't been listening to me. What's wrong? Same thing happened the last time you visited my office. Is everything fine?
Oh. I'm fine. I wouldn't want to bore you with my story.
Well, it's no bother. At least I'm here now. That's if you want to talk to me. I could give you a listening ear. I perceive you need it, at least so your mental health will not be threatened.
Armed robbers came to my house. They tried to rape my wife. She struggled with them. In the process, they shot her. And she died. My teenage daughter witnessed all this. She tried her best to stop them. She couldn't. As a result, she sustained an injury. As we speak, she cannot walk.
Oh my God. I am so sorry. Truly sorry. Well, if I may ask, where were you when all of this was happening?
I was away on duty. I used to be a soldier with the Nigerian army.
Oh.
I resigned a few days ago.
Jenny, meet my cousin Maxwell. Maxwell, this is my friend Jenny. You know, I've told him so much about you and he decided to come around and see you.
Thank you.
My pleasure. I'm sorry about your mom. You know, things like this happen. You just have to lick your wounds and move on. Please take heart.
Thank you.
So Jenny, my mom told me your dad has resigned from the army. Is that true?
How's that my business? Whatever he does is none of my business.
No. Come on, Jennifer. It's over a month now. You need to let go. You have to forgive your father.
Did he send you?
Jennifer, nobody sent me. Jennifer, say, your dad resigned from the army just to take care of you. He is going through a lot currently. That man is depressed.
And will all of that bring my mother back to life?
Jennifer, at this point, I think you need to listen to your friend. You see, you losing your mom implies that you and your dad need each other now more than ever. So it's ill time to be having this kind of problems with him. You understand? You just try to.
Please, can we talk about something else? Cynthia, you said about getting a jam form.
Oh, that. Yes. My mom approved of it and I've already made a choice of course and institution.
Wow.
So, what about you?
I haven't done anything yet.
You see, Jenny, this is the reason why you should be close to your father.
Cynthia, can you do me a favor by not mentioning that man's name whenever we are discussing? Can you? Please.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
My wife kept on telling me to resign from the army. She said I should find another job that would keep me close to the house. I didn't listen to her. Now I wish I did. If I had listened to her, probably she would still be alive today.
Well, I won't say I feel your pain, but I'll tell you not to hurt yourself over what has happened. Besides, you didn't choose the job out of your own selfish interest. You chose the job to provide for your family.
You don't get the point, Irene. You don't get it. I give up my time. I give up my sleep, my leisure. I give up virtually everything just to protect my country. Sadly, I failed to protect the most important thing in my life, which is my family.
But you're not God, Martin. You're no Superman. Why not just think of it, from this perspective? That if you had been around that night of the incident, perhaps you won't be alive today.
Of course I'll be alive. A man's job is to protect his family. Of course I'll be alive. I'll be there to protect my family. Those robbers, they were monitoring my home. They knew I was not around. They knew it, and then they struck. Right now, I don't even know what hurts me the most. I don't know if it's the pain of not listening to her, or the pain of losing her and my unborn child, or the animosity my daughter now feels towards me.
No. Your little girl one day will grow up to understand and see things from your perspective. She will understand that you're just looking out for your family. Just give her a little bit of time and just don't stop loving her. She's a kid and that's what kids do. Besides, I feel like she loves you deep down. But you just have to be patient with her to be okay.
Your friend is really mad at her dad.
My brother, madness is an understatement. Do you know my mom has tried to talk to this girl over the phone to let go, but she keeps insisting. She says she's not going to forgive her dad until he brings her mom back to life. And you and I know it is not possible.
This is serious. Huh? I just hope it doesn't get worse than it is already.
Me too. And you know what hurts me the most? Her father is a nice man.
Yeah.
My mom always say that.
Chai.
No.
Jennifer too is a nice person if you ask me. I mean, I think I like her too. A nice person.
I'll just pretend I didn't hear what you said. Yeah, I'll act like I didn't just hear what you said.
I don't understand. Is it not a crime to like somebody?
Max, it's not a crime. But I've been observing you. I saw the way you were looking at her lustfully. Maxwell.
Hey, Cynthia. Cynthia. Please remind me, how old are you?
That's not necessary. Please call the cabman. We need to start going.
Huh?
Call the cabman. I'm tired.
You saw the way I was looking at her.
My eyes are on you. I'm seeing you. Everything you're doing, I'm seeing you.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, now let me call this boy.
Oh, please call him.
He's full. Since I'm at the junction, I know they pick him call. This cab guys, I'm close. Hi, bros. Hi, bros. No too body over. What's be the name again?
Ezekiel.
Oh yeah, no, everywhere. Next time we talk.
You are...
I'm Maxwell.
Yeah. Maxwell. And she's Cynthia. Next time, buy something for me.
I know what.
No, take care. Good.
Why did you remove your father's photo frame from your room? My dear, I know that my son hasn't always been there for you while growing up. But believe me, with the way you are going about this whole thing, he might never forgive himself until he dies. And that will definitely be upon you.
Do I look like I care? Do I? Or is it by force to talk with him?
Jennifer, my child, you might still be a child, but there are lots of things your late mother did not tell you about your father before she died.
What's that? Kramer, there is nothing you will say that will make me talk to that man. Please, I can't speak with him.
My dear, it might interest you to know that your father never enjoyed nor felt the love of his father from his birth. His father, your supposed grandfather, was also a soldier. Shortly after the birth of your father, your grandfather was posted to Benin, where he impregnated another woman and eventually married her. In his own case, he abandoned your father and I in the barracks and went to live in with that woman. But he later died eventually. I single-handedly trained your father until he strived to be where he is today. But even in death, your father still honors his own father, who never showed up for once from his birth. My dear, as difficult as it may seem, I will advise you to cherish your father now that he's here, because you and I do not know what tomorrow holds.
Bro.
Yep.
How has your new adventure been?
Well, I can say it's been good. Yeah, I think it's been good. All thanks to God. And of course, thanks to Irene. She has been quite nice to me. Yeah, she advised me to get into the real estate business. She said I should register with 200,000 naira, which I have done. She also advised me to acquire some plots of land and some areas that are developing right now. And I've done that. In fact, as we speak, I have some interested buyers. Yeah, I believe soon I'll sell out, make some money, and look for other things to invest in.
Wow, that sounds great. I think meeting Irene is the best thing that has ever happened to you since your wife died. Yeah? Well, so talk to me. How is it tangling? I hope it's coming closer.
Tangling to where? What are you saying? Come on.
Oh, please say something else.
That's good. No, off for you. She's the only one calling me.
Really?
Hello, Irene. Yes, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine also. I suppose you're getting along just fine.
Well, what can I do? I'm trying.
Oh, everything's going to be fine.
I believe so.
Welcome.
Irene, if you don't mind, I don't know how busy you are. Can you come over to my place so we can spend some time together?
Okay, that's fine. It's okay.
Yes, I'll be expecting you, and thank you for checking up on me.
Bye.
All right. Oh boy, now what for you? What was that for?
Guys, stop it! I know she likes you and you like her too. Come on. Bro, I can't remember the last time I saw this smile on your face. Hey, come on. Come on. My guy is in love. My guy is in love.
Come on now. Come. Guy, wait, relax. Seriously, I can't believe you're insinuating this. It's been barely 3 months my wife died.
It's been in pain? I know. Listen, let me tell you something. Even your wife, wherever she is today, she'll be happy that you are happy too. Yes. Bro, embrace this opportunity. Don't fall my hand.
Guys, see that house where we want falling this night. Make nobody mess up. Smally! Don't trust me. I said make you shut up. Smally! Sure you know say now you dey fall my hand for this. Hope you know. And how you do anyhow, I will fall your hand. I will fall you!
Girl. Honestly, I was super excited when Cynthia told me you could now walk. Decided to come see things for myself.
Thank you so much.
For nothing.
So what about Cynthia? Why didn't she come with you?
Cynthia, she went with her mom to do her JAM registration.
Oh.
What about you? I guess you've not registered. You see, this is the more reason why I need to make peace with your dad.
Please. Let's not talk about that now.
Okay, if you say so. In that case, I have to be on my way now. I'll call you later.
Okay. Let me see you up to the gate.
If you insist. Stubborn girl.
Welcome to my humble abode.
You have a nice place.
Thank you. And what are you still doing sitting down? If you see a visitor, you get up and greet.
Your daughter?
Yes, if you see a visitor, you get up and... No, wait. She'll greet you first.
Dad, you're welcome.
Greet.
Good day, Ma. Delighted to meet you. She's beautiful.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Whoa. Once again, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you.
All right, so what do I offer you?
Well, anything cold?
Anything cold. Alcohol?
No, soft.
Soft. All right, I'll be right back. Hold on a second.
Thank you, sir.
Jennifer! Come on, get drinks first. Jennifer!
Have you been finding this new business?
It's okay. Fair enough. I'll be honest, it's... I don't even know. I get to talk and talk and talk and talk. It's almost as if I'm begging people to patronize me. It's not easy. It's not the life I'm used to.
I know that feeling. I also felt the same when I
Really?
first started. Yeah. But over time, I got used to it. And I'm certain you will definitely get used to it.
All right, I hope so. It's not easy though, but it's not really my main hustle. It's more like side hustle for me. Okay. I intend to go into importation of doors, foreign doors. Yeah, I spoke with my friend, and very soon I'll kick off.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Sounds fancy.
Oh, my mother is here. Mama, good afternoon.
Afternoon,
Good day, ma'am.
Hey, good day, my daughter.
Yes, ma'am.
My friend and business partner, Irene. Irene, my loving mother.
I'm delighted to meet you, ma'am.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank
you. Martin, I'll be inside the room. Please, take very good care of her. Well. Okay. You're welcome once again, my daughter.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
Well.
Your mom, she sounds really nice and jovial.
Oh, yes, she is.
She's a sociable person, I presume.
Yes, she is.
Oh, sorry, I'm getting a call. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Very well, thank you. Oh no, I'm not in the house right now. But I could get it across to you right away. Okay, in that case, I'll be waiting. All right, ma'am. Sorry, sir. I really need to go. Someone wants to come pick something from me.
I heard that. So soon?
Yes. Duty calls.
All right, then. Let me get my car key so I can drop you.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you. Thank you.
I'll be with you shortly.
Yeah.
Little by little, I can hear your heartbeat and love is calling. Little by little, I am not resisting and I think I'm falling.
Okay, I actually want to apologize once again for my daughter's behavior back.
Oh, come on. She's just a little girl. And I understand she's struggling.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Wait, was it Jennifer you were talking to before I walked into this house?
Thank you for understanding.
Every time I look in your eyes, something takes me by sweet surprise. It's not the way I planned it, but I think I like it little by little. Little by little.
Maxwell.
Like
so you've been talking to my friend behind my back.
Little by little. I did try and make my feelings no show. Little by little, I can hear your heartbeat and love is calling. Little by little, I am not resisting and I think I'm falling. Every time I look in your eyes, something takes me by sweet surprise. It's not the way I planned it, but I think I like it little by little. Take it easy with me, I beg. This kind thing never did me before.
She left so soon?
Yes, she said she had an urgent meeting or something to attend, so to drop her off immediately. Mama, please.
No, my dear, please go ahead. It's okay. I will soon get back to what I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, I'll just do some work.
Hey, my son. She has rapidly transformed you to normalcy, I must say. You're getting back to shape already.
You can't say that again.
Hey.
Irene is a wonderful person. She's a good friend and she's really helped me a lot. She's been a confidant, I must say. Yeah.
My son, did you just say friend? From what I saw earlier, it seems to me it's more than just a friend. I think you both are beginning to like each other.
Mama, slow down. See, whatever you're driving at, just calm down.
Oh.
Let me remind you.
Okay.
It's been barely 4 months I lost my wife, Stella. Even if I want to have something with Irene, not now. Not now.
Well, I haven't said you must do anything anyway. But it won't be a bad idea to hold on to the future and for your mental stability. Jennifer will one day grow up to move into another man's house. And you definitely cannot continue like this. Son, you need a companion. Please, my son, think about it. And I'm sure Stella will understand your plight wherever she is.
I appreciate your advice, Mother. Thank
It's
you.
okay, my son. You're welcome. Son, I'll be going back to the village next week. I've been away for 4 months and we cannot leave the village house isolated like that. My major concern is with you and my grandchild. I just hope you both born soon.
I hope so too. Everything will be fine.
It's okay, my son.
Thank you.
You can go ahead with your work.
Like play. I know the feed day my day. Now only you I go to think you. Little by little, I can hear your heartbeat and love is little by little. Little by little, I am not resisting and I think I'm falling. Every time I look in your eyes, something takes me by sweet surprise. It's not the way I bend, but I think I like it little by little. Little by little, I can hear your heartbeat and love is calling. Little by little, I am not resisting and I think I'm falling. I'm falling in love and I just can't stop. I bet I'm waiting you give me job. It's not the way I bend it, but I think I like it little by little. Little by little, I can hear your heartbeat and love is calling. Little by little, I am not resisting and I think I'm falling. I just want to be your lover. I won't make we stay together. It's not the way I bend it, but I think I like it little by little. Little by little, oh, love is calling and I can't say no. I just struggle with my feelings.
Get yourself mountain house. Make sure you give me spoon. The hear me so.
This importation thing is not easy. I'm telling you. The rising dollar rate is really affecting business. Come on, it's frustrating.
That's the demerits of what we have. But I believe it's a general problem that can be resolved by the government in no time.
Please, the government should resolve it. It's really getting very difficult to do business. Very difficult. Come on.
Bro, calm down. What's up? You know you've not given me any update about how...
I'm a ball. I'm a ball.
Guy, talk to your friend. Yeah?
Oh, Irene and I are cool. We talk every now and then. We're good.
For how long? No, you've been talking to Irene for almost 1 year. I suggest you make a move. And I bet you won't regret it. You know that girl cares so much about you. So bro, what's up? What is the problem?
It's not as easy as you think. My mother has been telling me the same thing. She wants me to take another wife, but come on. You know what happened to me. I mean, as a result of my wife's death, the relationship between me and my daughter has been... it's been terrible. How will she feel if I bring in another woman right now? It might even make things worse.
Bro, the last time I checked, Jennifer is your daughter and not your wife. Bro, you don't have any hands in Stella's death, do you? Come on. So you now making a move, it has nothing to do with Jennifer. You are a man here, bro. Bro, embrace this opportunity. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. This girl is the nicest girl ever.
Stella, I love you. And even in death, I will always love you. I'm so sorry for not being there to protect you. Please forgive me. I vow that I will never rest till I avenge your death. And I have done that. I also want you to know that I love you. And I'll always love you, even in the face of the decision I'm about to make. Continue to rest in peace, my dear wife, and truest friend. Till we meet again, I love you.
Brother, how has it been with you and Jennifer?
Whoa, it hasn't been easy. I'll be honest, it hasn't been easy. My daughter is getting more and more vindictive with each passing day. It bothers me. It bothers me.
I understand. I totally understand. But you just have to give it time. Give her more time. You know, from my last conversation with her, I came to understand that she's just being too emotional about this whole scenario. So I just wanted to give her more time. I know the more she matures, the better she comes to understand how well you mean for her.
Yeah. I agree with you. I'm doing my best.
Please.
Okay then, brother. Let me go straight to my reason for inviting you.
Okay.
Yes. I wouldn't want you to hear this, from any other source and you start feeling bad like I should have told you. It's been quite difficult for me. This period, the loss of your sister, my wife, it's been terrible for me. Very hard for me to cope, coupled with my relationship with my daughter right now, which is not really so good at the moment, and it's hard for me to cope, I'll be honest. I'm trying my best as a man, but I need a companion. That's the truth. I need a companion, so I want to take another wife.
Like, are you serious? Wow, brother. I'm totally in support of this. I love this new development. Yes, like they say, one of man's biggest needs in the hierarchy of needs is need to love and to be loved. So I totally support this, brother. Like, I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you, brother.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
I love this.
Thank you.
You actually need a companion to be strong. Because in these trying times, going through it alone is not going to be easy for you.
Thank you.
I totally support you.
Thank you. I'm glad we share the same perspectives. Thank you. Coming to you, very soon you'll be given a master's degree in bachelor.
Right, but trust me, something good is cooking. I'm arranging one or two.
Wow. Thank you for it.
Jennifer. You always say you miss me too, but I know you're just whining me. Yours is mere lip service, you don't miss me. I know. Ah, come on. You miss me and you've never cared to come and know my place. No, check it now. You are being unfair to me. When? When will that be? Come off it. You can. You think I don't care? No, but it's beginning to bother me. Like I need. Come and know my place now. It's not fair. I always come to see you. Eh? It's lonely here. You promise. So I should be hopeful, Abby. Okay. Let me take you for your word. If I don't see you, no problem now. Noted. Alright then. Be good, We'll talk later. Yeah.
Brother, you don't ever cook in this house. It's only junk that you stock up in this house. Why don't you cook?
My sister, bachelor's life now. What will I do? I guess that's the reason you have to help me convince your friend at least. See me suffering. The kitchen is always stocked up, no strength to cook. Convince your friend for me so that she will come here and be preparing something palatable.
Hello. Come here. I'll prepare something for you. As what? Hey, brother. I hope it's not what I'm thinking of. Wait, was it Jennifer you were talking to before I walked into this place?
I don't understand. So what if it was that?
Maxwell.
Yeah.
Maxwell. So you've been talking to my friend behind my back. Do you realize what her father would do to you if he should find out you've been talking to her? Come on. That girl is way too young.
Way too what? Please come off it. Age is just a number. I like her and I know she likes me too. It's just a matter of time.
Not in this case, my brother. Not in this case. See, let me tell you something. You have to leave my friend alone. Leave her alone. I don't even trust you. If I'm not mistaken, you're 10 years older than Jennifer. I mean, it's not possible.
You don't trust your own cousin? Cynthia, you don't trust me, all because of your friend. Cynthia, hey. Is this how stingy you are with your friends? With your friends. You don't trust me again. No problem. But when it comes to pocket money, now you trust me. My cream is finished, my roll-on. Let me catch you again.
Desist from whatever you want to do with my friend or whatever you're doing with that.
Your brother is a good person. Should I go to the seminary?
For your own good, though, me, I don't trust you. Look elsewhere. Leave her alone. She's too small for you.
See, go and face yourself. You're telling me what to do, man. Stingy girl. And don't go back to that place, go and pick any snack again. If you are being stingy with me.
Hi, Martin. I'm fine, and you? No, nothing much. I'm just here over at the office, working my ass off. Oh, when? That's okay by me. I'll see you then. Sure, bye. Irene, you can't possibly be falling for this guy. Oh, where was I?
Whoa. You see, I never doubted if she was going to say yes to your proposal. Yeah, I know. It was glaring that she likes you. Bro, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
So what's the next move?
Well, don't mind me.
Talk to me. Yeah.
I've sent word to her people. Yes, informing them that I want to get married to her. I've done the same. I've sent word to my own people, informing them. So I'm waiting to get the list from her people, list for payment of dowry. Once I do that, the next thing will be court wedding.
That's what's up! Let's have it. So happy for you, man. Yeah.
Good day, sir.
Good. Hey. Stop there. Who are you?
My name is Maxwell, sir. I'm your daughter's best friend. I mean, her friend's best friend.
My daughter's best friend.
Yes.
Friend's best friend. What are you?
I've been expecting you. Huh? Come inside.
Come inside where? Will you stand there?
Sorry, sir.
Who are you?
I mean, her best friend, Cynthia, I'm her cousin.
Which one are you? You're her best friend or you're her best friend's cousin? Which one?
I'm her best friend's cousin. And
Cynthia's cousin?
Yes, sir. And kind of her friend too.
Cynthia's cousin. Fine, so... Why are you here?
Dad, please.
Stop. Why are you here?
I came to deliver a message, sir.
You want to deliver a message?
Yes, sir.
To her?
Yes, sir.
All right, deliver the message to me, I'll give it to her.
Dad, can you stop embarrassing my visitor?
Are you questioning me? I said deliver your message to me. I will deliver to my daughter. No problem, fine. Go ahead, deliver to her, but do it there, I'm waiting.
I just have to go and come back.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Are you done?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Daddy, for real. This is not nice at all.
Bro, be calming down. Your blood is always hot. you don't have to take it that far. The young man said they are just friends. Just friends.
Just listen to yourself. Just friends, how? Look at that boy. That boy is close to 30. Eh? My daughter is still a child. Can they be friends? How? What would they be discussing? Look and open your eyes. If all these people, these boys, I know them very well. You can't fool me. Leave that boy, enter inside the house with my daughter and undress her. Right in my presence. Come on now.
Welcome to Wadike.
Listen, you just have to give me more time. I promise you I'm going to make out time for it. I still have more time on my side. You're funny. Alright.
You drink it up. Come.
Take care of yourself.
When I'm standing before you, you should be up on your feet. Who was that on the phone?
Cynthia.
Who's the boy that just left here?
He is Cynthia's cousin, my friend.
Your friend? The boy who is far older than you is your friend. What are you doing with him?
It's none of your business. Excuse me.
Will you come back here? Stand there! How dare you? I talk to you and you tell me it's none of my business. Are you mad? Who gave birth to you? Try it again, I'll shift your jaw. If I ask you a question, you give me a direct answer. Who's the boy?
Dad, what's all this? I don't understand. Can't you allow me live my life in peace? Am I now a prisoner in this house?
Listen to me. I will tolerate certain things because of your late mother. The circumstances that led to her death, I know you're still battling with emotions. But what I will not tolerate is disrespect. I am your father. If I ask you a question, you give me a direct answer. Is that clear?
Clear. Look at him, claiming to be one local Superman. But when it was needed, where was he? rubbish. You called?
Yes, please, join us for breakfast.
I'm not interested.
Hey. Sit down and eat.
Daddy, I'm not hungry.
This morning, you need food in your system.
Fine. I'll eat in my room. Jennifer, I heard your dad took another wife. Although my mom said she's a very nice person.
Nice person. That woman nice. She's not nice anything. She's only pretending. Well, that's her business. She can keep on pretending. As for me, I will make sure this house is unlivable for them.
Jennifer, you need to stop this thing you're doing. Do you know this thing you're doing can even make your dad transfer all the love he has for you towards her? Have you thought of what will happen if she should start giving him children? You need to think.
And how's that my business? I don't care. After all, I hate him. I hate him so much.
Anyway, I was willing to ask, are you still in communication with Maxwell, my cousin?
Yes? Why did you ask?
Jennifer.
What?
Jennifer, you're my best friend. And you have been communicating with my cousin for a long time now. And you didn't even deem it fit to tell me.
Why will I tell you? Don't tell me you're jealous.
Me? Jealous? I'm only looking out for you as a friend because Maxwell is of no good for you. He is older than you.
I know. I don't care. Can we talk about something else? Thank you.
Jennifer, you just need to be careful.
I'm careful. For as long as you live in this house, you will never be happy. You can never take the place of my mother.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm just confused.
Why?
I've been looking for my photo frame and I can't find it anywhere.
Photo frame?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure you searched properly?
Of course I did. I even went as far as checking the bedroom. I've checked everywhere. I still can't find it.
Checked everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's just 3 of us in this house.
Yeah.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
It's not.
Honey, wait.
Jennifer! Jennifer!
Dad.
Did you take out your stepmother's picture frame from my room?
Who is my stepmother?
Answer me before I lose it.
Well, if you must know, I saw a strange picture hung where my late mother's picture was supposed to be. And I was left with no other option than to take it out.
Fine. Go to wherever you kept it, pick it from there and return it where you saw it. Now.
So late, Dad. Well, your concubine will have to pay for another picture frame because that frame has been burnt to ashes.
Are you mad? Huh? Are you mad, this girl? What is wrong with you? You took something from my room and burnt. Are you crazy?
Dad, please let me be. Please.
I should let you be. Are you talking to... Are you... Do you know you're talking to your father? Come here! Which kid, if I allow this girl, she'll be useless. Over my dead body will my daughter become useless. What is...
She will not, please. Please.
Hi.
Please. Please.
I should let her be.
No.
My daughter telling me as a father.
That's a child.
Jennifer, come here.
Please.
Come on. I will let you be. Come. My love, I want to apologize once again for the whole photo frame thing. Sorry for what my daughter did.
It's okay. You don't have to apologize. Come on. Besides, this is what I signed for. The same day I accepted. It was that same day I chose to share your moments of pain and gain. Besides, she's your daughter. Therefore, she's become my daughter now. So, I'll always love her as much as I love you. I won't give up on her. We will both love her together.
Thank
you. It's nothing. I love you more.
Because you don't understand the things I do for you. But I'm your daddy and I can't stop loving you. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, my love will never go away.
Hey, stop there. I don't like your frequent visits to my house to see my daughter. It's becoming offensive to me.
I'm sorry, sir, but there is nothing going on between us. She's just my friend.
Just your friend? How old are you?
I'm 28, sir.
28? And you're making friends with a teenager? Huh? You are 28 and you're making friends with a teenager? Let me not see you in my house again. Let this be the very last time I'll see you in my house or near my daughter. If it happens again, I will shoot you in the head. Get out of my house.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
I said, get out!
I want to have a word with you.
Jennifer, can you barge into my room just like that without knocking? What is wrong with you?
I want to have a word with you.
Is that why you walk into my room like that? Without knocking? Did I raise you this way?
Please just calm down and attend to her, please.
Wait, let me handle this. Whatever it is you want to tell me, before you come into my room, you knock, Jennifer. That's how it's done. Go to your room, I'll see you soon.
No, Dad, I want to talk with you now.
I said go to your room, I'll talk to you soon.
Honey, please, can you just go attend to her? Please?
I'll fetch you. I will.
Honey, it might be important. Just go now. Come on.
Why did you barge into my room like that?
Well, Dad, I want to seek admission to the university.
Is that why you disturbed my peace? Huh? I was telling you to be calm, that we can talk about this, and you're just disturbing me. Well, my answer is no. You'll get into the university next year.
Next year? No! Cynthia, my friend, is already heading to her second year into the university. And now you're telling me to wait till next year. Dad, please. I want to leave this house. I want to go to a place where I can find peace and love.
Jennifer, there is peace and love in this house. This is your father's house, it's your house. There's peace and love here because your father loves you very much. You've used this emotional blackmail for too long. Right now, it's not working, and it will no longer work. Next year, you'll get into the university. You're still too young to be in the university.
I'm not young, Dad. I'm not. Why are you doing this? You restrict my friends from seeing me. Now you want to deny me my right to education?
Like I was saying before you interrupted me, and do not interrupt me again. You will get into the university next year, and that is final. Speaking about your friends, the young man that comes here to see you, I've warned him. I told him I don't want to see him in my house again. If you bring him here again or invite him, once I see him, I will shoot him in the head. No calls from him, no text messages, no form of communication. Whatever it is you're doing with him, it ends today. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Dad. Look at him, acting like he cares. What I do with my life is none of his business. He should just let me be. God, I hate this man so much. I hate him. Hey, don't worry. Since you don't want me to be free in this house, there will be war. There will be war in this house. There will be war. Rubbish.
Jenny, love. Darling, I've got some fruits and I know you like to have some. Come on. Join me. Well, I understand your father has disapproved your intention of going into tertiary institution. But I could, help you talk to him. That's if you want to.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Can you stop with all this your pretense? Or you think I don't know? You think I don't know you're here to turn my father against me? Huh?
God forbid. I would never. Listen, no. I love you. I love you like a mother. I won't.
You're not my mother and you will never be my mother. Not your dreams. I will not allow my father to get married to one of his concubines. And you cannot be my stepmother. Please, let me be. Rubbish.
Brother, this is getting out of hand. My daughter is becoming too stubborn. Just too stubborn. I don't know what is wrong with her. She's getting out of control. The worst part of it is I suspect she's having an affair.
What?
Yes.
18 years old Jennifer having an affair?
Yes. You remember that boy that came to the house, the one I was questioning? You were there, and both of us were sitting together. Remember?
I think I remember one guy coming to look for your daughter.
Yes.
But I can't picture his face.
That's the guy. I suspect she's having an affair with him. In fact, that's why she wants to go to university, so she can be free. I know. She wants to be free to be moving around and be doing anything she likes.
Man! My brother, there's nothing you can do about it. My brother, you need to brace up and protect her. Yes. You see, raising a female child is very difficult, especially in this our world. Man! It's not easy.
I know.
It's not easy.
She can't be bigger than me now. She's my child. A child cannot be bigger than the father. I'll tame her. And I know what to do to that boy. If I see him in my house again, I'll put a bullet in his head. One shot straight to his head. Open the head and that's it.
A daughter is a special thing, a gift from God above, and I would give her anything, shower her with care and love, 'cause it gives me joy through the years to watch you grow. So believe me, child, when I say I love you so. I'm no Superman, I'm just an ordinary father. Try to do the best I can for my family. You're the soul of my soul, you're the heart of my heart. You mean the world to me.
Oh my God. What have I done to deserve such wickedness from this girl? Who my husband eat this night? This is not fair. Honey? Honey?
Hello.
Just take a look at this. Look at what Jennifer did to the pot of soup I had suffered to prepare for dinner.
She poured water in the soup.
Honey, this is really frustrating. And it's not like I even dished enough to any part of it to even put in the fridge in the first place. This is not fair.
What's wrong with this girl? What is wrong with Jennifer? I need to teach her a lesson. Honestly,
No.
I need to teach her a lesson.
No, please. Don't confront her. Just let her be.
I didn't say I'm going to confront her. She's my child. I cannot confront her. I will teach her a lesson.
I know.
Can't confront my child.
But if you do that, then our mission will be accomplished.
Do you know how much it costs to make a pot of soup these days?
I agree, but you know what? I know you're angry right now, but you can address it later, say tomorrow morning. Let's just let this slide. I will prepare noodles, or better yet, say pap and fried plantain, whichever one. Which one should I make for you?
Anyone is fine.
Calm down.
Anything.
Please don't go to her. I'll be quick about this.
There's something I want to tell you.
Okay. Go ahead. What's up?
First off, I would like to say you should forget everything that happened earlier.
Alright.
And now, to what I want to say. Can you guess?
Help me. I'm not good at guessing.
Okay. Well, I'm pregnant.
God, that's good news. For real?
Yes, for real.
Oh, that's good news. Wow, that's wonderful news. News I've been waiting for a long time.
You sure?
Because I've been busy. Yeah. We have been busy. Oh, that's nice.
Well, honey, there's something I want to ask of you. Just one small tiny.
Sure, go ahead. Anything. Anything at all. I'll do
You sure?
it. Yeah.
You sure?
Tell me what you want and I'll do it.
Okay. Please, can you allow Jennifer pick a jam form this year, please?
No, that won't happen.
But don't you think this will maybe ease her, appease her, and because she's beginning to go crazy each passing day, and this might just strengthen your already weakened relationship with her.
Did she do anything to you?
No, not at all. I'm just saying it will help.
Don't worry about her. I'll take care of her. Jennifer is my child. I'm her father. It's my duty to protect her. Okay? Don't worry about her. Don't worry about her behavior. It's normal. I'll take care of her. I need to protect my daughter. She's still a child. She's still vulnerable. She's still young. She can't go to the university this year. Next year, by then she'll be more mature, more prepared for life in the university and life afterwards. But for now, I say no. Look, I won't forgive myself if anything happens to her. Don't stress it. It's final. I say no. Next year she'll go to university, okay? Back to this. What would you like me to make for you?
You make something?
Yes.
How?
I cook very well.
Mr. Chef. So how come you've never prepared anything for me?
There's always a first time. So what would you like?
No, thank you. I wouldn't even dare eat it.
I love you.
I love you more.
Okay. I see what you do, eh? Just when you get to the cab guy, just give him the phone so that I'll talk to him. Yes, give him the phone. No, but I'll still text you the address on phone. I'll text you the address. Yes. Yes, please. Okay, alright then. I'll still call you to know where you are. I'll see you. Yes. Today is the day, man. Finally.
I mean, Jennifer is not in this house. Yes, I've searched everywhere. I can't find her. She's not taking her calls.
Oh God, where could she have gone to?
I don't know. I'm losing my mind.
Just calm down, calm down. Perhaps she went to see her friend?
Went to see a friend without telling anybody. Come on.
Well, she's Jennifer.
What do you mean she's Jennifer? She's just a child. Where could she be now? She's not... Hold on. Just wait for me.
Honey?
Yes.
Thank you.
My pleasure, dear. Welcome to my humble abode. At last, you're here.
You know, you shouldn't have bothered yourself getting me this.
Not on your first visit. I will break the bank, to get you something refreshing. Hmm?
Thank you. Thank you.
My pleasure, dear. So you were telling me over the phone about your dad's refusal to get you a JAMB form this year.
Yes. He said I can't go to the university now because I'm not ripe enough.
That man is just so pathetic. I mean, at this point, your dad is just being overprotective now. Hmm?
Yes. But what can I do?
It's fine, it's fine. Just... Anyway, that's not why we're here. I invited you over to this place so that we could talk. See, Jenny, I don't know how this may sound. Sorry if it sounds strange to you, but from the first day I saw you, I liked you. I've always liked you. I'm fond of you. Like, how do I describe the feeling? Like, I'm just so into you and I just can't get you off my mind. The more I try, the more difficult it seems. And that is why I'm appealing. I'm asking that you be my woman. I promise to take good care of you. I won't toy with your heart, I promise. Cross my heart.
Maxwell. I like us being friends because I'm not ready for anything relationships for now.
But why? I'm not ready. Why? I mean, I understand you feel you are too young and vulnerable, but no. I know you feel something for me. You can't dispute that. Why are you going to deny that too? Age is just a number, What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
I'm tired. I'm dizzy. I just want to rest. Can we talk about this later?
You didn't sleep well last night. What's the matter?
I don't know.
Are you okay?
Let me rest a little bit.
Oh, I see.
Really? Okay, ma. Okay. All right, ma. All right. Thank you very much. No problems at all. I'll keep you posted. All right. Thank you.
What did she say?
She said Jennifer didn't go to the house. Even Cynthia doesn't know where Jennifer is.
Where could she be? Oh God. Ezekiel, why didn't you just find out from her, cleverly, as to where she's going to?
Madam, no vessel. She just tell me say she won't see her friend for Junction. Even say she go come back now.
You'll see her friend for Junction. Wait. I hope this is not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I know what I'll do. Let me call her friend Cynthia and find out where that bastard lives. Open the gate for me.
Okay, sir.
Are you sure you're in the right frame of mind to drive?
Don't worry. I'm always in the right frame of mind to handle it. Okay? I'll see you. G, open the gate for me.
Please be careful.
That was why I warned them not to come to my house again or get close to my daughter.
Maxwell, I am totally disappointed in you. How could you, Maxwell, how could you? You tried to rape my best friend, my own best friend. Now, I'm asking, did I do any bad thing introducing you to my friend?
Cynthia, I really am sorry. It was the handwork of the devil.
The devil? Hey, Maxwell, now, why are you accusing the innocent devil? Maxwell, you're the devil. You see, right now, you're the devil I am seeing. You are the devil. As I'm looking at you right now, you are a devil. How didn't I know all along that my supposed cousin, my big brother, is a rapist, a monster? That is who you are, Maxwell. I will shout. Let everybody hear.
I say, honestly, I don't know what came over me. I just cannot tell. I honestly regret my actions. Yes. It wasn't my intention, I swear.
Maxwell, you don't know what came over you. Maxwell, I regret having you as a brother. I regret knowing you, even seeing you physically, I regret it. If you see me pass, if I'm coming, don't even act as if you know me. Don't even say I'm your sister because thunder will strike you there. I cut all ties I have with you.
Yeah, wait. It hasn't got into that, Cynthia. Honestly, it hasn't. You are taking this issue out of proportion. It's not like I raped her. We didn't do anything.
Maxwell, you're a bad person, you're an evil person. You see, henceforth, I don't know you, you don't know me. Goodbye. I don't want to see you anywhere around me. Goodbye. You don't don't touch your nonsense. Rapist.
I should have listened to my dad. When he warned me about Maxwell, I should have listened to him. I didn't know Maxwell is a beast.
It's okay, darling. But thank God that he intervened right in time. Everything is fine now.
You don't understand. I feel so stupid right now. I mean, I've been disrespecting my father due to my mother's death. I've also been disrespecting you as well.
It's okay. I understand that you're just being traumatized by your mother's death. It's understandable. You know what? I'll make you a promise today that henceforth I'll treat you like your mother would have. I'll be your mother, your elder sister, perhaps even your friend if you want.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Auntie Irene.
You're welcome. One more thing. You need to go apologize to your dad for all the pain you put him through.
I know, but how do I face him? I'm afraid.
Okay. He's your dad, Jennifer. He will always be your dad. He loves you, regardless of anything. Your dad will be happy to be in good terms with you once again. Even your mom, wherever she is, will be so happy both of you reconciled. Is that okay?
You think so?
I know so. Come on. Talk to him and see.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bring it in.
Dad, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry I disrespected you so many times. Please forgive me. I allowed my emotions get the best out of me. From today, I pledge I will always be obedient to you. Not just you, but also to my stepmother.
It's okay. I forgive you. Okay? I forgive you. You are my daughter, and you will remain my daughter. My only child. But I love you very much. And I'll always be here to take care of you. Always.
Thank you, Dad.
It's alright. I love you. Dad loves you.
No matter what you do or say, I will love you more each day. For you, there's nothing
I feel so happy that you've made up with your dad. At least there is a bright side to what happened at Maxwell's place.
Speaking of Maxwell, where is he now?
That one. He has gone back to his family house. So my mom told his dad all that happened, and the man asked him to vacate the house and go to his family house and stay.
Wow. That's very good. You know, I was thinking that place was his house.
Maxwell's house. No, that's not his house. It's his father's house. You know his dad is a contractor, so he builds that house as his private residence. And whenever he's in town, he stays in that house. He only allowed Maxwell to stay there because he lied to him that he secured a job in this town. You can imagine.
That means she has been a manipulator since.
And sister, you can see that again. Jenny, I need to get going. Not going back to school this evening. So I need to go and prepare my things. We'll talk on phone.
Alright, now take care.
Stay peaceful with your dad, okay? Be a good girl. Jenny!
Somebody help me! Jenny! Jenny! Jennifer! What happened? Jennifer, come on, don't just slow down. Jennifer, get my, cab. Go get me a cab. I sent a secure on an errand. Oh my God, cab. Oh, yes, please, cab. Let's take it back. Come in. Jennifer, please. Jennifer, please. Run, hurry. Jennifer, what's wrong with you? Jennifer, please. Oh my God, my phone. Wait, Cynthia!
Doctor, what could make a little girl slump just like that?
Well, we've conducted a series of tests and examined her. And I'm afraid, Mr. Martins, your daughter is suffering from a congenital heart defect.
Oh my God. This isn't happening.
Heart? What do you mean congenital? Explain further.
It simply means that your daughter is suffering from a heart disease, which she was most likely born with.
Jesus Christ.
This cannot be happening.
Mr. Martins, can I ask you a question? Was there a time or moments where your daughter was diagnosed of this medical related problem?
Heart? No. Many years ago, she always wanted to join me in my morning road walks, I said, okay, she joined me. Then one day she started complaining of shortage of breath, like she wasn't breathing very well. I took her to the hospital, they placed her on some drugs and she got better. After that, she didn't join me on the routine anymore.
Shortness of breath?
Yes.
Well, that's one of the major symptoms. And in some cases, it comes along with swollen ankles, feet or hands.
Okay. Relax, doctor. What's the way forward? How do we resolve this?
Honestly, I'm afraid it cannot really be treated. Patients may be subjected to some drugs, though it is very short-term, especially now that it's severe. Mr. Martins, the only way out of this is a heart transplant, which in some cases, it's maybe over 100 million.
Oh my God. Where on are we going to get that kind of money? That's huge.
I'm sorry, madam, but this is the only way out. Except maybe we come across the heart of an unconscious dying patient, which the amount is likely to be lesser.
Doctor, it was in this same hospital that I lost my wife. Right. Please. What can you do? I beg you, don't let my daughter die.
Mr. Martins, calm down. If it was in my power, I would have helped you. But this situation is bigger than me. I'm so sorry.
My granddaughter. What happened to her?
Oh, you have to calm down. She'll be fine.
No. First it was my daughter-in-law. And now my only grandchild. God, why?
Mama.
Hey.
But you know she doesn't need all of these tears.
Okay.
She needs positive energy around her.
I'm not crying again.
Don't worry, she'll be fine, okay? Mama, please.
I'm not crying again. You'll be fine, okay?
This country is just a total mess. The health sector is not working at all. Where did they want you to raise 104,500,000? And I'm sure you've not earned that money in your entire life.
I'm so confused. I'm so confused right now. Confused and clueless. And what do I do? Who do I run to? Is this how I'm going to sit down, fold my arms and watch my daughter die just like that? Oh, now, come on. Listen, my daughter must live. Jennifer must live, even if it means me giving my own life for her. She must live.
Martins, you need to calm down. Yes, calm down. Let's weigh ourselves and see if there's anything we can do.
What are we weighing? Weighing, but there's no time. My daughter is dying. She's already on oxygen. Time is ticking. It's ticking. There's no time. You are my family, doctor. And my friend. Tell me the truth. Isn't there any other thing we can do? I have savings and assets worth about 40 million now. That's the much I can raise. I can pay everything at once. Then I'll be paying the rest installmentally. Just let my daughter live.
Mr. Martins, I sincerely wish there was a way I could help you in this very difficult situation. But there isn't, trust me. What you ask of me now is practically impossible. I'm sorry.
How long did you say my daughter has to live?
Well, I can't be precise. Maybe a few weeks, months or thereabouts. Just calm down.
It's okay.
It's not okay. It's not okay. My daughter is dying. There's nothing I can do to help.
It's not your fault. All of this is not your fault. You can keep hurting yourself over situations you can't control. Now is the moment you have to be strong. You have to be strong for her, for yourself, and for me too. What did the doctor say?
He said she has just about a month to live.
Month? What kind of temptation is this?
I know what to do. If my heart will fit in, I'll give it to her.
No. My love, it hasn't got into that. I have about 12 million naira in savings. I have 5 plots. We could start with that. We could just,
It won't be enough. The money you have, assets, even if we sell off everything, add to mine, it still won't be enough.
Then we could look for. We could try something else. But I don't know. But you can't just give up. You can't give up. You don't want to make me a young widow. Oh, don't you want to meet your unborn child?
Hi. Jennifer, one. Please, my daughter, don't do this to us. I was there when your mother gave birth to you and named you Onyinye. Because she believes you're a special blessing for her marriage. Because my daughter, fight to live. You have a lot to live for. Don't do this to us, I beg you. Please, my daughter. Please. Hi. Please, my daughter. Live for us. Please.
Are you aware of Martin's decision to donate his heart to Jennifer?
Honestly, Irene, I don't know what to say on this matter.
No, you have to say something. You need to do something. Listen, I just did. I'm carrying Martin's child. And I can't afford to be a widow. Barely a year of getting married. Come on.
You see, Irene, sometimes we lack explanation to certain situations in life. Yeah. Martin sees this as a privilege to repay on the love and attention he never gave to Jennifer before Stella died.
So, invariably, I'm the victim in all of this. Right?
I'm sorry about that. Like I said, I don't know what to do on this or say on this matter. But one thing I know is that no parent who want to be alive to bury his child. Yes, I'm so sorry about this whole thing. Sorry.
This is not happening to me.
Doctor, I want to donate my heart to save my daughter's life.
You wish to what? Mr. Martins, have you lost it? Trust me, this is not a decision to be hastily taken.
I'm not taking this decision hastily. She is my only child. She has to live. She must live. I cannot sit back as a father and watch my only child die. Same little girl who saw her mother shot right before her. Eventually her mother died. Doctor, do the necessary tests. If my heart will fit in, give it to her.
Mr. Martins, I understand what you're going through. Just calm down and think about this. Well, I'll just have to send you to the lab for necessary scans and tests. Just think about it. Hello? Yeah, I need my office right now.
My little angel, my darling daughter, I want you to understand that I had to make this decision because it's the best thing to do. I failed you once when it mattered most, and I vowed that I will not fail you again. You deserve to live because you have a lot of potentials to explore. Always be a good girl. Live your life, but in doing so, remember who you are and always look out for your family. I'll be gone, but I will not leave you orphaned. I am still with you in spirit. Take good care of yourself and do not miss me too much. I love you more than anything else in this world. Goodbye, my darling daughter. My little angel.
A daughter is a special thing, a gift from God above, and I would give her anything. Shower her with care and love, 'cause it gives me joy through the years to watch you grow. So believe me, child, when I say I love you so. I'm no Superman, I'm just an ordinary father. Try to do the best I can for my family. You're the soul of my soul, you're the heart of my heart. You mean the world to me. You're my daughter and I love you endlessly. You may hate me because you don't understand the things I do for you. I'm your daddy and I can't stop loving you. No matter what you do,